Dr. Poop's English Lab. Sticky gum. Oops. So sticky. Help, please.
What's wrong?
Gum on my shoe.
Aha! I have nice idea. On! Ta-da! Sticky gum blaster. Leave it to me. Go, blaster! Oh my goodness! Too cold!
Let's go home. Dr. Poop's English Lab.
Where's my pants? Where's my pants? Do you know where it is?
Look under the bed. Ew, it stinks.
That's my sock.
Smells like natto.
Oh my goodness. Aha! I have nice idea. On! Ta-da! Bubble freshener. Try this. Much better. But where's my pants?
Thanks for watching. See you later.